Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I don't know if you've heard of this, the 100 envelope savings challenge. I guess this is it. It's by Trrrioosy, Trrrioosy. So let's open it up and I'll show you guys what this is and explain it to you. So the 100 envelopes challenge lets you save, I think it's $5,000 and something, $5,050. That's it right there. So that's what it lets you save. And so it comes here like this, and each section here, I'll show you, I'll open this up and we'll set it up and I'll explain to you how it works. So you have 100 sections. So let's see, let's aim you guys down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So let's see, how do can we put this in here nicely? Yes. And then I'll put this, oops, I missed one. Okay, so this is what it is. And so what it is each day you put in a certain amount. So $1 for each one. So you start off with day one and you stick $1 in here. And then you put $2, $3, $4, all the way. So each day you're putting in more and more money. And then so you get up here and then towards the end here, you're putting in $93 a day, $94 a day, $95 a day. But basically at the end of the 100 days, you're gonna have $5,050. So I noticed what some people have done to make the challenge a little bit different is you can take like the numbers, I don't know if this here, you could probably cut out all these numbers if you really wanted to and stick them in a little container or something like that and just randomly pick one out. So then one day you might end up paying $70 and the next day you might end up paying $2. And so you fill in each particular pocket based on which number you pick up, and then you throw out the number, but you keep the money. So so that way you don't get stuck at the end having to fork out so much money. So just a little idea of doing it that way. It gives you the ability, I guess it's got a couple of little pockets in here, so you could store actual envelopes or put other money. So you can put your money in here as you're accumulating it to take from here to put in there, and just so you know you're always gonna have enough. Always make sure you have over $100 and then you're good for the next day. And then here's some little spaces. You could put gift cards or whatever. If you really wanna put a $100 gift card or $50 gift cards or something like that, you could probably use those in place. Basically at the end, you're gonna end up with that kind of money. So it's kind of a cool little concept and a fun little game. It's got a little place here for a pen, I guess, so you could mark off these as you go, and you could just pick based on how much money you have in your wallet. So I could just say today I have $37. I could go and just fill out the 37th one, mark it off, and then tomorrow I have to have a different amount, and then figure it out. So kind of a cool concept. So you just basically at the end of this being full, you're gonna have $5,050. So very cool. I mean, I guess if you really wanted to, you could do one a day, you could do one a week, you could do one a month. It would take a long time, but good little savings, fun little challenge for a kid. You could even go and do it with the 10 cents each, and then at the end of the time you'll have $505. So could be good for a kid that way. So kind of a cool concept. So I'm gonna say this is awesome, and thumbs up. Nice way to save money and make it kind of cute. So very cool.